Hello, welcome to the mini tutorial of how to join your blend shapes into just one mesh and be able to move the blend shape of your head easily. First of all, what we can see is that each part of the face has its own names on blend shapes. How? For example, the eyelashes has blend shape 1 point, eye blink layer or whatever. And if we click on the eyebrow, we see that it's BS node eyebrow robot eye blink left. Okay. And if we click on the head, we have this. And if we click on the mouth, we have this. What we have to do is put the same name in all the blend shapes. Okay. How? I have here an add-on that it's called ShapeKT editor that we can change the name of all the blend shape together. For example, we can see the face and the eyelash has the same blend shape name and they have the same UV map, so we can join them. So when we move the blend shape, both meshes are being moved. Now what we have to do is delete this part. So we copy blend shape 1 point and we put it in the add-on. Then in replace we keep it empty. So we click on apply, and as we can see we have changed the name of all or our blend shapes. Now what we want to do is that when we click on this blend shape, it's joined with the face map. So what we have to do is click here, we select the part that we are going to delete, we put it on the add-on and we apply. As we can see, the UV map is correct and the names are the same as the face. So now we can join them, and when we click on the blend shape, the three meshes are being moved. And finally, we have to do the same for the mouth. So we click here, we put the name and we apply. As we can see right now, if we move the mouth, for example, jaw open, the teeth are not being moved. You have to move both, but now that we have both with the same blend shape names and the same UV map and we join, when we click on jaw, we can see that the mouth and the teeth are being moved. So this is the mini tutorial of how to join your blend shapes, and you have now all the blend shape together, so you can just in one mesh use your blend shapes.